Personal presentation. Hi, my name is Diego Fernando Ramos Vargas. I am 31 years old. I am from Bogota, Colombia, and I live with my family in Soacha. I am a meteorology technologist and I work as a quality inspector in the PVC Pipes company. My hobby goes to the movies and my favorite sport is cycling. My favorite TV show is The Mentalist. Description of my family. There are 4 people in my family. My wife is Erika Paola. She is 28 years old. She is from Manizales and works as a nurse at home. She is of medium height, long black hair, light brown eyes. The name of the children is Samantha and Fernando. They are from Bogota. Samantha is 7 years old and she is a student first. She has black hair, brown eyes and dark skin. She likes music and dancing. Fernando is 66 years old. He is a preschool student. I light brown hair, light brown eyes, and likes to play football. Finally, my mother-in-law, Nora. She is 60 years old, and she is from Lerida, Tolima. She works as a textile designer from home. She has brown hair, medium height, and brown eyes. She takes care of the children after school.